So today I've been working on this small walking path for my garden for when I'm watering. I kind of visually split the garden in half because I like to run the water hose through here, and that way it'll reach everywhere I need to go all the way through. So I didn't want to put a permanent path in the way because in case I want to, we sell the house and I want to move, or in case I don't like this placement, or in case I expand that way or expand the garden in different ways. I want to be able to redo this as I see fit or as I need it. The other thing is, and I'm just going to be putting mulch in this little area. This is just mulch I had on hand that I bought from one of the local neighbors that didn't need it. And if and when I decide to move the path, I could just put dirt on top of it and plant right in it, and it'll be no big deal. So that's what I'm going to finish today. I started this earlier this morning, and so I'm just going to put the mulch in and see where we're at and how I'm liking it. I have finished laying out my path. I have finished putting the little mulch down. That's my little walking path. I'm also going to put a garden hose, real like holders. There's the little kind of stakes you put in the ground. It holds your hose. That way it doesn't flop around or get all twisted while you're trying to water. So my only thing is, I'm not really sure if I want to, as you can see, my hose bib is over there. Maybe you can't, but it's in where that shadow is. And my hose is really long because I kind of have it going all the way around this way, as you can see. And then that way I can get to that bed right there. And then I'll put my green stock or my plant tower here and other things there. And I can water everything without the hose kinking up on me. But if I bring it back to this side, it's a constant battle to get it kinked up. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it where it's at and then have it running this way, and then put stakes along the perimeter as well for when I need to go to that end of the garden. So, but I'm really happy with how this turned out. All this was just stuff I had laying around. I need 2 more of these these long fence posts. I think I need 2 more would be suffice to finish running it to this little area right here. Kind of finish this off, and then 1 more bag of mulch, which I have like three left, I think. And yeah, that'll be it. Hopefully we'll get some rain here pretty soon, so this will kind of I'll see how it kind of flattens out a little bit. And this is my first spring project in the garden done. I'm very excited. The next one is going to be that thing. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it and just kind of hammer it all the way in, or just go ahead and pull it up and not use it. I'm not sure. I haven't decided. I really like it. I haven't really successfully grown anything in there because I think I haven't put enough dirt in it, but I have plenty of dirt. And then I'm going to be ordering 4 or 5 I'm going to be ordering a mound of dirt. And if they could put it here, that'll be nice, because then it'll be closer to this whole thing, which, as you can see, it kind of slopes off. So I'm trying to kind of build it up a lot bit. But yeah, that is what I have. My first successful little garden project. Plus, I was able to clean this brush off. I had a bunch of dried up flower zinnias here. I pulled those up. And I left them there. I really don't clean up all this leaf. I just leave it there. I do, because then I just plant in it. Anyway, as I was saying, I don't really remove the leaves. I might thin them out a little bit, but really I just kind of leave it there and plant in it, and then put compost on top of all of that so that I've been building up my soil now for the last 4 years because it was nothing. I live in North Texas, so it's nothing but like clay and caliche, which is like this really compacted stuff. So I try to add as much stuff as I can. And over here is I'm building a hugelkultur kind of scenario. So this is kind of just like a big dumping ground for like chicken when we clean out the chicken coop and the chicken area, and then big logs, as you can see right there. And yeah, so I need to decide what I'm going to do with that. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.